What's going on out there, my YouTube family? You here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm gonna bring you a few more things that I got in the mail. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot of content lately, but been working crazy, work, and I do apologize. And I promise you guys it's coming. Trust me, a lot of it. That's one thing I said. I had to slow down and started posting more content, man. I got to. So, without plus, I forgot before we start. I will be doing a giveaway June 1st. I will be doing a giveaway June 1st. So, in order to win, you have to be subscribed. You got to hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below in this video. On June 1st, I will be announcing the winner. But that's all you have to do. Just leave a comment below, hit the like button, and be a subscriber. Okay, well, let's check out and see what I got in the mail. Okay, first I got, this is courtesy to Nadisky FPV. Let's see here. They sent me a Nadisky XF3 3-inch FPV frame. This is going to be nice. You got all the standoffs in here, the screws, the frame. You got the Nadisky battery strap here. So yeah, this is going to be nice. A nice 3-inch build. This is going to be the second build. Because as you already know, I haven't started yet, but I got a build I'm starting on, and that's the Nadisky Coon H5 5.5 inch FPV frame. So this is a 5.5 inch frame here, and this is going to be a nice build. Nice. So they also sent me, as you remember, I got them here. They sent me these iPower motors, iFlight. So these are going on the 5.5 inch build. These are 2205s, 2500 kV motors. As you can see here, nice. This is what's going on the 5.5 inch build. So I got those. So that's going to be nice. I got 4 of those. That's going on FPV on a 5.5 inch build. That's going to be nice. I also got this Nadisky Super Mini stubby antenna. So that's going to go on my 5.5 inch build. So that's going to be nice. That's going to be real nice. Okay. I also have here, this is going on a 5.5 inch build. This is a wireless 5.8 40 channel VTX transmitter. This is going to be nice. It comes with the wires and the harness. We got the antenna connection here, which is going to be nice, and the VTX itself, 40 channel. So this is going to be real nice, you guys. Really, very nice. I got the flight controller and the 4-in-1 ESCs coming. So we should be starting this build here very soon, because that's the only thing that's missing right now is the flight controller board and the ESCs. And I have ordered those, and they are en route. So we will be starting this build very soon. This is by the way, this is a Wolf Whoop Q1M So this is going to be nice. I think this goes up to 800 megahertz. Yes. Yeah, 25, 200, 500, 800. So this is going to be nice. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Set this aside. They also sent the Ditsy FPV also sent me these. So this is going to be nice. These are going on the 5.5 inch build. They sent me 4 sets of 50-55 Hokey props, Gem Fans, supplied by Gem Fans, but these are Hokey props, 50-55s. So 4 packs of those. So I got everything for the 5.5 inch build except for the flight controller and the 4-in-1 ESC. So this is gonna be my first build, you guys. So hopefully everything is gonna work out right. Yep, this is gonna be my first build. I also ordered this because I just wanted to check it out because I've been playing with a lot of tiny whoops lately. This is new from Red Paws. It's the R10. I want to see how this flies. They had it when it first came out. I think it was around $25, $30. Now I caught it on sale for $9. So we'll be doing an unboxing with this real soon, so I ain't gonna take it out, but this is the R10 from Red Paws. So we'll see how this fly. This is gonna be nice. Okay, all right, without further ado, I'm gonna show you guys what I am giving away, and I appreciate all of you guys. I wish I had it enough to send everybody something, but we're gonna be doing some more giveaways here real soon. It's gonna get better and better and better, I tell you that. So to win the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber, you have to hit the like button, and you have to leave a comment in the video. Okay, this is what I'm giving away here. Brand new in a box, never been opened. It's just ready for you, whoever wins. This is the Proto X. No, just playing. This is the Proto X Nano Drone. So I have one of these actually, and they fly excellent. I mean, they fast. They are really fast and fly real nice. This is an indoor flyer. You get the drone, you get a controller, you get a USB charger cord, and 4 extra props. That's what's included. So this is what I am giving away, you guys. The Proto X Nano, another Nano drone. So don't forget to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribe, and this will be going on June the 1st. Alright, and I'm Skipper Drones, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like I say, I'm sorry for not posting a lot of content. I have been working many hours, but that's a good thing though, because I have been able to buy a lot of things for my channel. So it's a lot of good content coming, trust me. And I will see you guys on the next video. So don't forget, June 1st. See you guys later.